So now I just wanted to turn and just speak a little bit more about the software. That was all the sort of general principles behind state and transition simulation models as we've sort of come designed them and baked it into our software. So with the software, there's two terms here that we use. One is called SyncroSim and the other is STSim. So just to avoid the confusion as you're going through the demo in a few minutes, SyncroSim is this platform our company has developed. Again, it's free, that is designed to run any kind of Monte Carlo, spatial Monte Carlo simulation, essentially. And it deals with a lot of the data management, all the lifting of files and scenarios, and you'll see in a minute, you'll get a sense of that. We use it for things other than STSim. We use it for population modeling. We're doing COVID modeling with it now. We do some other stuff. We put other external off-the-shelf models in there. We're doing connectivity work in there. We run our scripts in there. So it's a general platform for doing simulation modeling. And STSim is an open source package that runs within SyncroSim. SyncroSim supports packages for doing STSMs. So just a little bit more on SyncroSim. It's the idea with it is that you can link together one or more models. We're always expanding this capability, but we're sort of building out this ability for you to chain together models, one of which can be STSim. These models can be written in any language. Most commonly, they're done in R. We have strong support for R. And this platform is designed to deal with big spatial data. It runs in Windows and Linux. It runs on HPC and cloud computing, deals with very large rasters, and kind of handles multiprocessing. There's a lot of work that's gone into this to make running landscape change models scalable. And that's all the sort of work of SyncroSim. You'll see in a minute, SyncroSim has a number of features. The first is that it provides sort of a Windows-based user interface on your models, and we'll be playing with that over the rest of the talk today. But it also, behind the scenes, has a full command line API. So everything you can do in the user interface, you can control from the command line. And this allows you to write scripts in any language you like to run and develop SyncroSim models. We do a lot of our work in R. In fact, virtually all of our models now are scripted up in R. And so we have an R package on CRAN called R SyncroSim that allows you to, again, do everything that you can in the user interface, as you see later today, in scripts in R. So that's been a huge, again, feature and another big piece of what SyncroSim brings to the table when you come into the world of STSim and state and transition simulation models. Just a last slide before I stop for a minute for questions. I'll be circulating this. I don't expect you to read all this now, but this is just for reference, that there's a number of resources available online to help you get going and work with SyncroSim and STSim. We have documentation that's always growing. We have a forum for asking questions. We have training courses regularly. We just did one, how long ago was that now? 3 weeks ago with a group of you from Australia. I think there were 10 or 12 people who came to that. And we have self-directed courses you can work on your own on and other ways of getting support as well.